Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Phonics with Sana. So hey my dear viewers, how are you all? I hope you all are enjoying your summer vacations to the fullest. Actually my dear viewers, this video is really close to my heart क्योंकि ये मैंने बहुत टाइम पहले शूट करी थी जब मैंने स्टार्ट ही करा था अपना चैनल दैट इज़ फोनिक्स विद सना। उस टाइम मैंने इसका नाम सोचा था लर्न विद सना और ये एक ऐसी वीडियो है जो मैंने बहुत ही इनिशियल लेवल पे शूट करी थी, बिल्कुल अनाड़ियों वाली वीडियो है। इट्स जस्ट अ वेरी रैंडम वीडियो वेयर आई एम अनबॉक्सिंग माई यूट्यूब गैजेट्स. People enjoy seeing unboxing, they enjoy seeing the unboxing videos, what all things we use when a YouTuber is shooting a video. So here I am unboxing my YouTube gadgets in front of all of you. I would like to also include that जब भी मैंने ये वीडियो शूट करी थी उस टाइम आई वाज जस्ट अनबॉक्सिंग द थिंग्स और मैंने माइक नहीं यूज़ करा हुआ है तो थोड़ा सा नॉइजी है, थोड़ा सा हैफिज़त सा लगेगा आप लोगों को. अनकंट्रोल्ड नॉइजेस हैं जो कि शायद बहुत क्लियर ना हो, बट स्टिल आई वांटेड टू शेयर इट विद ऑल ऑफ यू द जर्नी फ्रॉम वेयर आई स्टार्टेड. जहाँ से मैंने शुरू करा था वहाँ से मुझे आप लोगों के साथ ये चीज़ें शेयर करनी थी. तो हियर आई एम अनबॉक्सिंग माई यूट्यूब गैजेट्स फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. लेट्स सी व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स वी यूट्यूबर्स यूज. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. I really want to share few things with all of you, which the preparations which I've done to start my new YouTube channel. As a newbie, as a new beginner, I was really scared and I was really afraid that how am I going to do this. So I discussed this with my family, I discussed this with my husband. He was a great support and he brought me a few things which I'm going to unbox here in front of all of you. I hope you all will enjoy the process. So yeah, the first thing which I'm going to show you is this Boya speaker, Boya microphone. You all can see this Boya microphone my husband got from Nehru Place. He went there and he got all these things from me. So out of curiosity I've opened all those things, but I really want to unbox them again. I want to start a setup over here and I want to show this to all of you. So let's get started with this one. The first thing, the smallest tiny little things which I want to show you is this Boya speaker. It was in this leather pocket and here it is. You all can see like so big, yeah, so big cord, so big wire. You all can see this nest of wires over here. So I can plug these wires anywhere. I can just clip it on whatever place my mobile is, whatever place my laptop is, whatever place my camera is. This microphone can reach out anywhere. Can you all see this big this cord which is there, the big wire it has. I was so happy to see this one that I'm thankful to my husband that he got me all these things. Then the next one, oh yeah, it's too heavy and sturdy again. So it is my new Simplex, as you all can see, Simplex Tripod, and it is the premium light stand. It's written there Mark 3 with Italian lock. Lock is also there, so it's not going to fall and it's not going to break my things. Let's take it out. Oh yeah, oh my god, too heavy. It is too heavy and it is too sturdy. You all can see like it's heavy and it's good to go with all my camera and with all my light. It's not a plaything or it's not a ball, it's not a bat. It's my new tripod stand. It's like super good and I'm really going to open this in front of all of you. The stand is there. You all can see the stand. We can just take out the stand like this. I'm going to fix it here in front of all of you, but before fixing it I just want to tell you all that it is a 9-inch big tripod, really, as if I'm speaking on the mic, but it's not a mic, it's my tripod. It's a 9-inch big tripod like this one, this big. Whatever level, whatever height I am, I'm going to rock on this one. So wait for the fixing. Yeah, And the second thing, and the coolest one which I always wanted to have, was tan tan tan. Yes, you got it right. I got this ring light as well from my husband. He got these things in a very cheap rate from Nehru Place. I was continuously looking for these things on Amazon, here and there on Flipkart. But when he went there for some of his personal stuff, he wanted to get his laptop repaired and even mine. So he came through these things and he got this idea that there he can get it in more cheaper price than Amazon and Flipkart. So he just got it for me. I was so happy as I saw them, really. So I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to unzip it in front of all of you. Here we go. So this super cool ring light is in this bag because it needs protection. I'm going to unzip it here. And 1, 2, 3. Yay! Oh my god. So this is my super cool ring light for my Learn with Sana Phonics class. You can see I'm going to rock on this one and my kids are going to love it. My kids are going to love this, Hannah ma'am. So you can see so many things are there. This light fixing thing, the small buttons are there. The color, we can change the color. We can make the light from dark to dim. Yeah, bright to dim. Then here I can fix my DSLR, even my mobile. And here, this is the space where I can fix it on my tripod like this, which I'm going to do pretty soon. And I'm not going to break it. I'm going to fix it in a super comfortable way. I'll just show it to you. So here, and once again, the most interesting one. Here. Got the Dslr Camera again from my husband, so I'm really thankful to him. I'm really so blessed to have all these things to start up my YouTube channel, to start my classes. So this DSLR, this tripod, and my ring is going to get fixed very soon. Wait and watch. So yeah, hi everyone again. Now I've opened this, after unboxing I've opened it and fixed this tripod stand of mine, and you all can see, oh my god, it is like 9 feet tall. I'm so happy to see the height of this tripod. I can shoot from any angle, from any place. Super duper happy. Now I am going to I'm going to fix it from here. I'm going to fix it here. So this is the Chinese Italian lock I was talking about. Yes, so it is locked. It is locked now. And here I'm going to fix my ring light. Let's get started in fixing the ring light over here. Yeah, so it is so heavy as I said. The good one, the coolest one. माय डियर व्यूअर्स, कैसी लगी आपको मेरी ये अनबॉक्सिंग की वीडियो? कमेंट करके मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा। आई नो कि बहुत सारे लोगों ने इसे पूरा देखा ही नहीं होगा, बीच में से ही छोड़ दिया होगा, बट स्टिल बहुत से ऐसे होंगे जो बाद में देखना चाहेंगे कि एक यूट्यूबर कौन से ऐसे गैजेट्स यूज़ करता है जब उसे एक वीडियो शूट करनी होती है। सो हियर आई एम योर होस्ट सना विद माई रिंग लाइट, विद माई स्पीकर, विद माई ग्रीन स्क्रीन, विद माई ट्राइपॉड स्टैंड। ये कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो हम यूट्यूबर्स यूज़ करते हैं अपनी एक वीडियो को रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए, एक वीडियो को शूट करने के लिए। बट बहुत से ऐसे भी होते हैं जो बहुत ही कम रिसोर्सेज में अपने वीडियो को शूट करते हैं। वो एक DIY टाइप बॉक्स बना लेते हैं जिसमें एक बल्ब लगाते हैं। यू नो, दिस इज़ इनोवेटिव एंड क्रिएटिव वे यू कैन यूज़ लेस रिसोर्सेज इन मिनिमम सप्लाई, एंड आप बहुत ही बजट फ्रेंडली वे में अपने यूट्यूब वीडियोस को शूट कर सकते हैं। सो वी शुड रिस्पेक्ट द कंटेंट क्रिएटर। जो भी कंटेंट क्रिएट करता है बहुत ही मेहनत से करता है। सो प्लीज़ एक लाइक तो बनता है, एक शेयर तो बनता है उसके लिए। जो भी चीज़ें हम यूज़ करते हैं एक बहुत ही सेटअप लगाना, इट्स नॉट ईजी, इवन इफ इट इज़ दैट वेरी लो स्केल. एक सेटअप करना कंटेंट क्रिएट करने के लिए इजी नहीं होता माय डियर व्यूअर्स. तो प्लीज़ यूट्यूबर्स को सपोर्ट करिए. कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स ऑन सोशल मीडिया शुड बी सपोर्टेड. इट इज़ फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. We educate you, we train you, we entertain you at times. So keep loving, keep motivating, keep helping and keep supporting Phonics with Sana. Tune in for my next video. It's going to be really amazing and interesting. Also, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you are new. Hit the bell icon to get notified about my latest work. Love you all. Bye bye.